Steve's Wormburner frame that he brought to us. This is one of the originals because you can see from the gusset the way the design of the gusset is. So that would be sort of 2009 when they were first introduced. Steve brought this to us as an engine in the frame already done and wanted us to put it all together for him. It's a 1200 Bandit and 1200 front end, but with billet yokes, which we've had anodized black, which is what he wanted. New headlamp. He's dealing with the front fender. We polished and sprayed the engine. One of our 2-in-1 exhaust systems, but he wanted to use his existing pipes that he had with the bike, so we've made them fit. The rear fender, luggage rack and sissy bar were all supplied by Steve, wanting us to fit. Again, he's doing the paintwork on it, so we've just left it raw like that, but he wanted this all fabricated to fit. Some of you may or may not think this is a Harley, but obviously that's the tank he's using, and he's going to get that sprayed. Carbs apart, get it all running right on that from that point of view. Totally rewired throughout, so it's got a brand new wiring system in it, which you can't see, which is half the plan of having a proper wiring loom. You don't see it all, and it's got all the fuse boxes and control boxes out of the way. This was a bespoke made electric box for him on this one, and he had specifics that where he wanted the ignition and the switches. As you can see, the bars very plain. That's the sort of look at the moment. Nothing on there. All new hell, brake lines, throttle cable, his bars that he wanted, that sort of look. So you get, yeah, so that's what he wanted. He's picking it up today. I've road tested it. It's a difficult riding position for me because I think Steve's a little bit smaller, but you'll see I've got to get my feet right up there. But from the plus side, once you're going, it's a nice strong engine. He says. There's one Wormburner look, and just quickly, that's a 600 Wormburner, but with a later frame, as you can tell from the gusset, and with booster front end, chunkier, no, as chunky yokes. But yeah, those are the two different types of looks. So there you go, over and out.